Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make a traditional Gujarati dish. It's called Ragda Petis. It's very healthy and very tasty, and it provides a good source of protein for vegetarians and vegans. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Soak 2 cups of dried green peas in a bowl for 5 to 6 hours, after which they should become soft and swollen as seen. Finely chop garlic, ginger and onion in an electric chopper to very fine consistency. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan and add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When it splutters, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add half teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and asafoetida, followed by curry leaves. Then add the chopped onion, ginger and garlic which you have prepared. Mix well, add salt to taste and saute till the onions start turning soft. Then add 1 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander and cumin powder. Mix well for a minute and then add the soaked green peas. Add water to cover it completely. Close the pressure cooker and cook on medium heat till 1 whistle and then simmer for further 20 minutes. While the carrot and green peas are cooking, wash and slice potatoes and place them in the microwave. Cook on full power for 4 minutes and then turn over and cook for further 4 to 5 minutes as required. At the end you will have potatoes which look like this. Peel and mash them. To the mashed potatoes add finely chopped ginger, green chilies and coriander leaves. Then add salt as per taste, followed by cumin, coriander and garam masala powder. Squeeze some lemon into it. Mix it well. Take a small portion in your palm and roll it into a ball. Then flatten it between the palms, pressing on the sides as shown to form a flattened shape. Repeat the process with the rest of the mashed potato mixture. Take 1 tablespoon of corn flour in a bowl. Add water to make a thin mixture as shown. Dip the flattened potato balls in it one at a time and place it on a greased hot pan. Drizzle some oil on it and allow it to cook till golden brown. Then turn over carefully, making sure not to break the aloo tikkis. Allow to cook on the other side after sprinkling oil if required till golden brown on both sides. Then transfer onto a plate covered with tissue paper to soak the excess oil. Open the pressure cooker after it has cooled sufficiently to release the pressure and the lid opens easily. Then add some pasta sauce and garam masala. Add water as necessary to reach the right consistency. Mix well and then add some pepper powder. Again mix it well, bring to a boil and the ragda is ready for serving. Transfer some of the ragda to a serving plate and add tikkis as desired. Sprinkle with chopped onions, save, green chutney, tamarind chutney, and finely chopped tomatoes. Sprinkle some save and serve. It is very filling and can be eaten either as a snack or a complete meal.